high school there, Alumni Association. So, in fact, the first assignment when I came here after 5 years at Catholic Central School, the first assignment I got from Miss Brogel, I wonder where she is. We went together yesterday. Is reorganize the Alumni Association, which we started at Catholic Central School with Dr. Constante and the late Mr. Borlacan. So, I put all my heart, and then our president then was Victor Siga, Tiwi chapter, Malinaw chapter, Bakakay chapter, Legazpi chapter, Batanduanes chapter, and United States Tobacco National High School chapter. So, Alumni Association of Tobacco National has gone a long way. And I hope, yeah, I remember Mr. Peña is the father of the Constitution and bylaws of the Alumni Association. He was also very active there. And so I hope we continue to, yes, this one. Every year, this is the fifth alumni reunion. Miss Grass, I think. And is that already short message? Anyway, I think I will put a period now. Okay. See you again and again next year, the following year, or if I am still alive and still kicking.
Alright, maraming salamat po, Mrs. Pen Ribancos. Ito po, Miss Seni Gregorio.